Dreaming of owning a cleaning business? You're in the right spot. Navigating the cleaning industry can feel overwhelming. But, don't sweat, we've got you covered. First things first, decide on your niche. Residential, commercial, or specialized cleaning. Research is key. Mail sign study your local market, identify potential clients, and scope out the competition. Budgeting time. Set your initial investment, consider equipment costs, and don't forget insurance. Branding is more than a logo. It's about creating trust and recognition. Think about your company's values and message. Licenses and permits are crucial. Ensure you're operating within legal bounds and check local regulations. Hiring staff. Ensure they're trained and share your passion for pristine spaces. Set your prices competitively. Research, adapt, and offer introductory discounts to attract customers. Online presence is a game changer. Set up a website, gather reviews, and harness the power of social media. Consistency is queen. Deliver excellent service, ask for feedback, and always aim for improvement. Networking can open doors. Attend local events, join business groups, and build relationships in your community. Lastly, always be adaptable. The cleaning world evolves, so stay updated with trends and technologies. And there you have it. Your roadmap to starting a successful cleaning business. Dream big and clean bigger. Remember, every empire started with a single step, or sweep. So, grab that mop and let's make those dreams shine.